Check it.
What's going on, guys? Hunter Films here. We're back with another video. It is day 6, the last day before we head back home. Thought it'd be cool to start off the video here on the Snake River here in Wyoming, Jackson. Not really much luck. My dad just caught a fish, but yeah, we're just chilling here. So it's gonna be a cool day. We're gonna go do a little event where we see some really cool exotic birds, like raptors, predators, and stuff like that. Dive and get meats and stuff. So yeah, that'll be cool. But besides that, it's just gonna be a pretty chill day. Maybe go with the gondola later. So yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, we just got here. They don't even have the big show yet, but there are some hawks just out here, which is pretty cool. See, there's hawks. They're live. There's one just chilling there. What's up, bro? And then there's one over there. Yeah. Both just kind of chilling here. Alright guys, this is Becky who works here at the Teton Raptor Center.
Hi everyone, my name is Becky. I'm the Education Director for TRC, and we are so grateful to have your time and attention today. I think you guys are going to get a little time to learn a little bit about our work today from you guys having been to our program. What's your name?
My name's Hunter.
From Hunter, and
yeah.
You're going to meet a bird named Hunter.
Yeah.
So we hope you enjoy it. Tell your friends and like us on Facebook, and come out to Teton Raptor Center anytime you're in Jackson Hole.
Alright guys, we're about to start. Pretty sure the birds are just chilling in the boxes for now.
Just eat it in one bite. So, his mom was there for 8 years. His mom actually died last December. So during those 8 years of reared young, we know that Hunter has 27 full-blooded brothers and sisters. This does not seem to be exactly what I would love. What is that? This looks like rat. It really is not that different. Look, you love organ meat. So I have 2 containers of food and 3 birds to work, and this appears to be somebody else's. Okay. What I'm asking is, could I please get 3 cut-up mice ASAP? Because this one is refusing his rat bites. The eye's cleared up, but he still has a problem. He missed school. You cannot go backwards with these guys. He missed school. He doesn't know what to do. He doesn't know how to be a falcon. He doesn't know how to connect with his food. He doesn't, I mean, my gosh, he misses his perch. And that's really important to us here. So people often ask, well, how long is he going to live? Well, if I knew that answer, I'd be so rich. That all of you should know. It's found pretty much everywhere throughout North America, up to and including Central Park in New York. All right, this is a
hawk.
Red-tailed hawk. That would go this way. I know, it's hard to land in this wind. So, also training the trainer. Oh, but how about with me? You like to talk to me? Wow. Wind is tough. Wind is tough to navigate in. Save those orange peels. You are not planting a tree. You are creating serious hazards for wildlife. Before the wind speeds up. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Quite the way to land in a tree.
Oh wow.
2 things are going on that seem to be throwing you guys. One, they're haying next door. It's called cueing the bird. Cueing the bird. That's called ignoring the trainer. This is the only bird at Teton Raptor Center who is on her first career, not her second. Hello. You should come out here. Please don't make me go in there. The only bird at Teton Raptor Center that hatched in captivity. Okay, I'm going in. Hey, Hey, thanks. Again, a reaction I yearn for. Just us here. Eurasian eagle owls are the same genus as a great horned owl. You can tell a lot of similarities. Most people are like, oh my gosh, that's totally a great horned owl. A flail, I kind of wish it would, then she would stop. You'll figure out why I needed shoulder surgery here in about a minute. All right, kiddo. Yeah, right. You. Wow. Man, another reaction. Coming in. And she is from the state of Missouri. At a year old, she was noticed by some folks. She was noticed floating on an iceberg in the wintertime at almost exactly a year old. This would have been 2014. And she couldn't fly. Are considered in the category of fishing eagles. There we go. Bald eagles are in the category of fishing eagles, and they spend the bulk of their time around water. It was so big. Bald eagles and golden eagles are the same size. And 50 feet of each other. Notice that Gus's beak is much smaller than River's. River looks like a toucan compared to a golden eagle. Golden eagles look like big hawks. Bald eagles have their own massive mane used for tearing fish. There you go, guys. That's who we are and what we do. We do research, rehabilitation, and education. We've been around for 10 years. Looking forward to another 100 more.
I realize that, but you're making wow! Big old baby.
Alright guys, we are now finishing up at the Teton Raptor Center. It was really cool. That bald eagle was just like super big. So yeah, there's a little bird that they mentioned in the shop. I'm probably gonna go in, take a little peek at it, and we'll be on our way from here. So yeah, let's go inside. Here it is, just a little owl chilling. Alright guys, we're at this place called Moo's Ice Cream. If you're ever anywhere and you see Moo's Ice Cream, you need to get this stuff. This stuff is like homemade, super original. They have it in Canada, some places, here in Jackson, Wyoming. It's just awesome. So we're gonna get that, head back to the hotel, and do some stuff. Okay guys, so we are now at the gondola at my hotel to end the video off with some cool shots, you know. But anyways, right now, I want to show you guys some pictures. So we drove separate cars to the little bird thing. And basically what happened is me and my dad rode together, and then my Aunt Karen, my Uncle Robert, my grandmother GP, and my cousin Sarah saw a bear on the way after they came back from a lake. So yeah, here's some pictures for you guys. Yeah, so kind of jealous, you know, I don't get to see bears, but hey, mission complete. That was the one mission that we needed to complete. I mean, at least I didn't see it, but we got some stuff to know that I saw one. So anyways, yeah, so we're gonna go up the gondola, and I will see you guys at the top. Okay guys, so I'm gonna film this right now because it's too windy. My camera doesn't do well with wind. Basically, you can't hear anything. It's just like just the whole time. So yeah, we are here at the top, and oh my god, this is like amazing. So I'm gonna switch to the edit mode, show you guys on my camera, and yeah, it's just so awesome. Alrighty guys, we are now back on the ground. That's gonna conclude day 6, our last full day here in Wyoming, Jacksonville. Thanks so much for watching, hope you did enjoy. Tomorrow will be our flight home and some highlights of the trip that I liked so far, or it's kind of not really so far because we're finishing the trip. But yeah, it was great. Thank you for watching, hope you did enjoy. Check out my other days I spent here. We had some awesome cool stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching, peace out, and I'll see you guys later. Psych, you thought the video was over. We gotta do the Aunt Karen special, the hair flip. So yeah, let's do that real quick and then the video will be over.